Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I got access to both my hands. This feels really weird. I normally use my Canon DSLR camera, but I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video today for you all. And it's just gonna be a very simple video. And I wanted to, I guess, showcase some projects I have upcoming. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hopefully you guys enjoy this style with my GoPro. I have both my hands this time, so this is gonna be, it's kind of weird for me. I rarely do these types of videos, so with this type of camera, GoPro, but I got my trusty altered component knife, this amazing knife that he gave me for unboxings. So altered component, man, thank you. I love this knife. It's so awesome. I love that it just goes like that. I love that. All right, so 4 packages in this video. I got one from Goldshell. I got one from DJ Mines. I have another one here from Infinite Cables, and then I have another one here from aaaWAVE.com, which I will announce a giveaway when we open this. So what should we open first? You know what? I'm gonna open up DJ Mines first, because he is another fellow crypto mining YouTuber, and actually his sticker is on my sticker wall here, right in the center on my mouth. You guys see that? I found that to be pretty funny. And anyways, let's open this up and see what DJ Mines has sent me. And oh, look at this. Well, I think I know exactly what this is. These are banners, and I think he sent me all of, are these all of my banners? Let's open one up, guys. Let's open one up here. I was hoping, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Dude. This is sick. DJ Mines, dude. Thank you, man. This is a banner. And I've seen these in his video. Holy smokes, man. This is actually, this is quite large. And this would probably take up, you know what, I could put one on my wall over there. But wow, DJ Mines, thank you, my friend. Man, how many did you send me here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give one away in this video. So guys, all you gotta do, comment down below if you are in USA, Canada, or EU, and I will ship you one of these RedPandaMining banners on behalf of DJ Mines. Guys, go subscribe to DJ Mines, link down below. DJ Mines, my friend, thank you so much, man. DJ Mines, where is your banner? I didn't receive one of yours. I'm kind of sad now, but that's okay, man. I seriously, I can't believe you sent me 4. These must have been really expensive to make. I love this. I love this. I love this. So guys, just comment down below, USA, Canada, or EU, and a positive comment about anything GPU mining. Awesome stuff. Okay, going along. Now, let's open up this one. And this is the Goldshell one. It looks like it's kind of been opened from shipping. I noticed that it seemed to be pretty soft, and I don't know, it didn't seem to have much padding, it feels, but let's open this up. It's from Goldshell. They said they sent me a new ASIC. Okay, so it's a box within a box. Okay, that's why it seemed a bit loose. Let's do it like this. Okay. All right. And what does this say? It says, do the best for you. All right, this is pretty cool. Goldshell, handle with care. All right, let's open this. Oh, nope. You guys know with Goldshell, I have other Goldshell ASICs like the mini Doge miners, the mini ASIC miners, and this looks like to be one of their bigger ASIC miners, which I'll definitely have a dedicated video. Okay, I gotta put this upside down. Oh. All right. Okay, this is definitely a bigger looking ASIC miner, and the padding is legit. The padding is good. Woo! Look at this. This is their, okay, I've seen a Twitter post on their Twitter, and this is supposedly I believe it's called a Goldshell Lite. And it doesn't feel light to me. This is pretty hefty. Goldshell HS Lite. What's an HS mean? Does that mean handshake? I don't know what this thing mines exactly, but this is, wow, this is pretty slick. There's the Ethernet port. This is like an ASIC miner. Oh, it's got one of these C19 or C20 ports. And right on. And this looks pretty big. So I don't know the specs of this thing, guys. I'm gonna have a dedicated video of this later on, and we'll see what the profitability is. I'll do like a 24-hour test. And let's see, the power supply here says this is a, what is this, 1500 watt power supply? I think that says 1500 watts. Huh, interesting. So cool. Actually, one thing I wanted to do is, you know what, let me grab my S19J. Okay, so there's the S19J, and here is the Goldshell Lite. Yeah, it's actually the same height. It's literally the same height. And it looks kind of like the same width, but it's not as deep. The S19 is a lot deeper than the Goldshell HS Lite here. So, awesome. Goldshell, thank you for sending me this. And I will be sending this Goldshell Lite to DJ Mines when I'm finished with it in the next week or two. And then DJ Mines is going to review it and all that good stuff. So guys, make sure you go subscribe to him as well. Okay, good stuff. Let's keep it going, guys. Oh, that was fun. That was cool. All right, now next package. Let's unbox this one right here. This is the box from Infinite Cables. So they're gonna be sponsoring a video, and this is actually mainly for, I waited for this package for my S19J. Some of you guys know that I'm gonna be placing this in a little like food cooler contraption, and so I needed long C13 to C14 cables, but Infinite Cables, I asked for them to send me a bunch of the red Ethernet cables, and so they sent me a whole bunch of these 3 feet. I got 6 footers. I got a bunch of 4 footers. As for my mining cave tower in my garage, I want to do all red cables in the garage with the Ethernet and also C13 to C14 cables. These are the 14 gauge, very high capacity, 15 amp by 240 volt capacity, very thick cables. These are awesome. I use all of these for most of my mining rigs. I seriously, I have enough here to replace for all of my rigs, and then some. Actually, I have a whole bunch on my supplies over there as well from Infinite Cables. And so, yeah, I've been waiting. These are the 2 that I've been waiting for. These are the 15 foot C13 to C14 cables I need for my S19J. So guys, stay tuned for that video. It's gonna go into my food cooler in my garage. And yeah, awesome. Infinite Cables, thank you so much. This is awesome. That's what I've been waiting for. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, my GoPro just turned off and it said overheating or something. Like it had to turn off because it was hot, and I can feel the camera right now. It's very warm. So we'll see if it keeps going here. It might turn off. Anyways, let's open the last package, guys. This is from aaaWAVE.com. So let's see what they sent me. They emailed me last week and they said, hey, Red Panda, we have something new for you to test out. And I was like, sure, send it my way. They didn't say anything about a giveaway, but I'm assuming that there's something in here that I can give away, as I believe it is a new mining frame. And you guys know I don't really need mining frames, so let's just see what they sent me here. Okay, it's really well packed. That's awesome. Lots of bubble wrap. I actually need this for packing future stuff. So all this stuff I receive from, from packages from other companies and stuff, I always keep the bubble wrap. Okay, we got a aaaWAVE, the Dredge 10 GPU. Wait. Oh no. Okay, I tested this before. This is the version 2. So apparently there's new revision. This is just a new revision of the Dredge 10 GPU. You guys know I tested the first one, so I'll put something on the screen here. You guys can see what it looks like. But looks like they sent me 2 of them. Okay, that's cool. So I guess this is, yes, I will do a giveaway on the other one here. Oh my god, this is heavy. That means shipping for this is going to be pretty nuts. So I will do the giveaway announcement when I do the review video for when I build one of these and into a mining rig and test it all out and stuff. But oh, not only did they send me 2 of them, they also sent me a bunch of their fans. Oh my god, the Arctic Cool. Oh yeah, I played with these before. Yeah, actually I still have a mound that they gave me from last time. I don't really need these, but I guess when I do the frame, I will put all the fans on that frame. So the Dredge 2, there's a lot of fans here. Oh, they also sent me, of course, they also sent me some risers. Let's check these out. These are the aaaWAVE branded orange style risers. I'm not really fond of the orange style risers, but this looks like they have 10 capacitors. Oh, I know that the GPU risers one is only 8. So I don't know if this extra 2 capacitors actually helps with the, I guess, reliability, efficiency, stability probably for the GPU power. That's awesome. So PCIe, there's no Molex. Oh, there's a bunch of LEDs on here, so that means this must light up pretty cool. You know what? Let me grab a PCIe cable, and let's just see. I want to see if it lights, how much lighting is on this riser. So let me just plug this while my little ASICs are on in this little breakout board, and hopefully this thing doesn't blow up on me when I plug it in. Nice. Look at that. It's got nice, cool little, like a party on the riser. I have a bunch of these styles from like Bees Crypto Mining and Nerd Gears, so that's pretty nice. All right. Well, aaaWAVE, thank you so much for the risers as well. So I'm just thinking if I should give these away too. You know what, I would like to, but when I do a giveaway on this frame, I ship it as is, like this. I tape it up a bit more, but I don't put this in another box to ship because it gets really expensive. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the aaaWAVE video. I will do an unboxing and build video on the Dredge 2. So aaaWAVE, thank you so much for the frames, and everyone else. DJ Mines, my friend, thank you for the RPM banner. I love this, man. It's so sick. Oh my god, my GoPro is burning. It is burning right now. Okay, it's probably gonna turn off real soon. Anyways, Goldshell, thank you so much for the HS Lite. I will review this probably right after this video, and I will then send it to DJ Mines. DJ Mines is gonna review it, and maybe another YouTuber, and then hopefully I'll get it back in one piece. And then Infinite Cables, thank you so much for the lovely red Ethernet and C13, C14, the shorter C13 power cables. That's killer. Thank you so much, Infinite Cables. And I just realized I do not have a power cable for this one. The Goldshell HS Lite, they did come with a C19, C20 plug, but I don't have, goes into a European plug, which I don't have here in North America. So yeah, okay, I guess I can't make that video. I gotta order a C19 to C13, C14 cable. Yeah, I need the other end of this. I guess I need this plug into this plug. Okay, so that sucks. So I'll order that, and you guys will see a review of this Goldshell Lite in another video. Okay, everyone, thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know your thoughts of my GoPro, of using my hands, I love it. I feel so free. One thing I thought of is that the camera is kind of shaky on my chest mount here, and I do have a head mount, but I found it to be too high, and I really had to put my head down to really just showcase everything. I like it on my chest, but it is kind of wavy. Maybe I need to find a better chest mount. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one, and peace out. Let's see. Okay. Oh, no, I have one of these. This might work. No, wait. Will this work? Nope, that's not gonna work. I need the other end. Okay, I do not have an extra one of those cables. Ah, that sucks. C19. What's this? Is this anyways, I'll figure it out.